Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Positive Ninja. Let's begin. Positive Ninja. Do you think this glass is half full or half empty? Positive Ninja radiated positivity, so much so that it amazed her friends. When Positive Ninja accidentally stepped in rain puddles, she would simply say, "I'm so grateful we got rain to water my backyard plants." One day she fell down the stairs. She remarked, "Well, that's one day to go down fast." But it's also painful, depending on what the stairs are made of. Steel? If it's wood, it would still hurt, but carpet still hurt because of the sharp edges. Yeah, I can see Miss Alden's scratches, which I say, never mind. If her pencil broke while she was drawing, she would exclaim, "Guess that pencil needed a break time for a new one." Yes, Positive Ninja was absolutely positive and happy. That was not always the case for Positive Ninja. Now, once upon a time, she really could be quite negative. At this soccer game, she would scream, "This is impossible!" During piano practice, she would shout, I'm no good at this." While doing homework, she would say, "I can't do this." Until one day, her friend Kind Ninja suggested that she try a fun way to change her thinking. Do you want me to show you? What you do is catch your negative thought. Next, blow it into a balloon. Then pretend to let the balloon go. Now you have room for positive thoughts like, "I can be good at this as long as I keep trying. I don't know if I can do this." So Positive Ninja tried it. She caught her negative thoughts and blew them into a balloon. Then she let the balloon go. And do you know what happened next? It worked. From that day on, she felt a lot less negative and a whole lot happier. I can do anything. Using this balloon strategy could be your secret weapon against negative thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!